Breakouts are the absolute worst, man. It's crazy when you're talking to someone and you have a breakout, right? You have a pimple. You can see they're looking at it. And that messes with your game, it messes with your confidence. Bad skin in general is just not the way to go because you know that people are gonna see it and you feel a little embarrassed, especially if you're older, you're not a teenager, it's not the hormones, it's just you have a pimple and it sucks, but it does happen. Thankfully, there are things that you can do to make sure that your skin is smooth, clear, and pimple-free. And that's exactly what I'm gonna be talking about today. And if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Alex, and on this channel we talk about men's fashion, hair, grooming, pimples, and so much more. It's basically my job to make sure that you look your best, to make sure that you live an amazing life. And guess what? That subscribe button below, that's absolutely free. You can click on it, I'm not gonna charge you anything, and you can watch these videos when they come out to make sure that you look your absolute best. The first item on today's list is you have to stick to a skincare routine. So many guys think that they just need to wash their face whenever they have a pimple, right? It's like a reaction to something that has happened, and that is not how skincare works. Skincare is about being proactive. So you need to maintain a skincare routine no matter how nice your skin is looking right now, because if you stop, that's when it gets bad, and then washing your face once or twice, that's really not gonna do anything. So develop a skincare routine and stick to it. When it comes to breakouts, your skin needs consistency to alter processes like oil production and cell turnover that leads to breakouts. Number 2, use your fingers. They are perfect just the way they are. You do not need a physical exfoliant like a washcloth or a loofah because it's a little too harsh for your face. Right? The skin around your face, especially here under your eyes, is very thin, it's very fragile, so don't use anything that's going to really hurt and irritate your skin. You have these beautiful hands, these beautiful fingers, so use them lightly on your face to wash out any of that oil and dirt that accumulates over the day. Next up, avoid washing your face too many times every day. I get it, you want to have that skincare routine, but don't overdo it, because if you do, it's going to strip out all of the natural oils that you actually need. And then your skin is going to produce even more oil to compensate, having the reverse effect of what you're trying to eliminate. You see how that works? Hey guys, the best way to get started on your journey to clear skin is with Geology, the 9-time award-winning men's skincare system. And they're offering an exclusive offer just for you guys, 70% off. 70, that's a big number. That's off their trial set, which means you can get started for as little as $9 when you use the code ALEX70. And Geology is great because you get 2 everyday face washes, which means you can leave one in the shower and then take one with you to the gym or leave it in your bathroom somewhere. You get the morning face cream, the repairing night cream, which is a little bit thicker and creamier, the nourishing eye cream as well, and they even have the sunscreen, which you guys should all be wearing. This is what I love so much about Geology. You take their free quiz, which is listed below, right? And you tell them, hey, Geology, these are the issues with my skin. This is what I don't like about it. I have dark circles, I have pimples, I have some sun damage. How do I fix that? And Geology will then formulate this product and send you the exact products that you need, custom for you and for your problems, to make sure that those problems are no more. And that's what makes Geology different, and that's why I love what they're doing, right? They tackle the problems to make sure they have solutions for your individual problem. And with a price drop like that, 70% off, $9 to get started, I mean, this is a no-brainer, guys. Like I said, consistency is the #1 key to having great skin, so get the products that you need, make sure that you have them all lined up and ready for you, and then it makes your life a lot easier, right? You don't have to guess. No more guesswork. You know exactly what you need to do. You wash your face twice a day, you moisturize in the morning and at night, you apply some eye cream, and then if you want to exfoliate twice a week, you can do that as well. So guys, if you want to make sure that you have great skin moving forward, I'm gonna leave the link to Geology's quiz right below. Go check it out. Tell them what's going on with your skin and they will send you the exact products that you need to make sure that you're tackling those problems. Thank you, Geology, for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to use the code ALEX70 to get 70% off. Now, the next item is something that most guys neglect. And I was one of those guys myself, and I really wish that I didn't neglect this because most people say that this is literally the #1, the most important skincare rule, so pay attention. You need to wear sunscreen every single day, year round, whenever you go outside, of course. Just because it's wintertime or it's not that sunny out, it doesn't mean that there's actually not any harmful rays doing damage to your skin, and trust me, it does damage. I have some sunspots on my face, and every time I see them in a mirror, which is, by the way, every single day, I'm like, I really wish that I wore sunscreen. I wish Alex Costa told me on YouTube what to do, but I didn't have somebody like me telling me what to do in my early 20s, which means I literally did not wear sunscreen at all. I thought, I'm Brazilian, you know, I tan pretty easily, I don't really burn that easy. I don't need sunscreen, I just want to get a tan, right? And then all of a sudden these little dots start popping up on your face and you're like, wait a second. I don't like this, right? And then you start getting deeper wrinkles and you're like, okay, I really don't like this. How do I fix this? You Google it and you find out you should have been wearing sunscreen all along. That is not a good way to find out. So I'm telling you here, be proactive. Don't be reactive. Don't wait until it's too late. Just start doing it now. Wear sunscreen whenever you go outside. Geology has a great one. I'll also link that one below. And just to kind of really finish this point here on a strong note, just so you know, 98% of aging is sun related. Wrinkles, dark spots, tiny broken blood vessels, that's all because of UV rays. That's crazy. The next thing that you should be doing, and I know that a lot of you guys don't do this, I get it. You know, I was like a bachelor once, living like a crazy lifestyle too, going out every night, but you should still change your pillowcase. All right, you would be surprised by all the dirt, the bacteria, you know, the junk, the snot, the sweat, the drool, that's on your pillowcase. It's pretty disgusting. Think about it. I mean, you have your face on that pillow for about 8 hours, 4 hours if you're a degenerate in college. I get it. But it's a long time for you to just be rubbing your face on that pillowcase, man, and it's so dirty. So I would say twice a week. That's the minimum. Change your pillowcase twice a week because it will make those breakouts a lot less consistent. You will get way less of them because you're not gonna be rubbing your face on dirty snot, sweat, other oils disgusting. Gross, man. You know something else that's pretty gross too that we don't really think about it, but it's pretty disgusting? Your keyboard on your computer, right? Every day you're there typing away. Your hands might be dirty. Maybe you touch your handrail and then you touch the computer. You put your hands in your pocket and there's all that fuzz and whatever's in your pocket, old gum. Put it on the keyboard, right? And then what do? Put it on your face and then you transfer all of those germs, all of that dirt. Make sure that you are cleaning your keyboard, all right? Use a wipe, a sanitizing wipe, whatever it is, make sure that you're getting those germs out of that keyboard. And the second thing, your phone. Your phone is gross. You put it in your pocket. It falls in that little crack, black hole of the car, right? Who knows what's in there? And then you pick it up and you put it right back on your face. Make sure that you're also wiping your phone once in a while because that is definitely gonna cause breakouts. And we don't want that here. I want you to have beautiful, clear skin because that gives you confidence whether you're going on a date, a job interview, whether you're going to see your friends, or whether you're just looking in the mirror and you wanna feel your absolute best. So hit that first link below, get geology. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Peace.